This course basic manufacturing process unit and lecture 50 machine and basic working principle of machines. Agenda for today present in this video some of operation drilling, ramming and boring. These are machine present in this video. Drilling. What is the drilling? It an operation of making hole in a workpiece with the help of drill. A ड्रिल टूल की हेल्प से हम एक मशीन में वह होल कर जनरेट करते हैं. इन दिस ऑपरेशन shown in the workpiece is the chuck of drill held in the tailstock. The drill is fed manually in the rotating workpiece by rotating the tailstock and the ramming. It an operation finishing and previously of drilling holes. This operation shown in the ramming is held in the tailstock and it is the feed of hole. The similar way of the drilling. Boring. It is an operation of large of the hole already made in the workpiece. And this operation as shown in the figure boring tools are bit mounted on the right of rigid bar of held in the post tool of the feed. Workpiece in the holder power of the small. This is work turning operation. Basic principle of the basic working principle of the lathe machines. This is the drilling operation. This is the drilling tool of the workpiece. This is the workpiece and this and attached hold it to the chuck of the lathe machine and this workpiece. This is the drilling hole or the rotating for the working of the drilling point drilling operation and the reaming operation. This is the check of the check of the machine and holding of the workpiece. This is the reaming. This is the before of the workpiece and consist of the machine. This is the check of this is a workpiece and boring machine. This is the whole of the workpiece and this is the tool of the machine. Tool of the machine is the boring tool. The before of the large hole before making the in the workpiece and other tools is used for other increase the diameter of the holes by using the boring tools. Under undercutting or the gluing operation. It is an operation to reduce the diameter of the workpiece over the curved surface. In the operation is shown in the tools of appropriate shape feed into the revolving work. The desired depth of the right angle to the center of line and workpiece. Threading. Threading is the operation of the lathe machines of the cutting helical groove on the external cylindrical surface of the workpiece. The longitudinal feed is the equal to the touch of the workpiece. This is the machine chuck. This is the machine chuck holding the workpiece. This is the tool of the machine and this is the workpiece diameter is large and this in here and this is the workpiece is the small size of diameter. This is the machine check, the workpiece which is holding for the check. This is the making of the working of the tool, making the three threading V tools. This is the one check to Judy. These are the main threads of the workpiece, supporting the supporting tool of the workpiece. Knurling is the principle. Knurling is the working principle of the lathe machine. This operation is shown in the machine. The knurling to move to a longitudinally revolving of the workpiece. This projection on the knurl to so reduce the depression of the workpiece. Team used for the lathe machining. The following terms are the commonly used while the machining of workpiece on the lathe. This is the check of the machine, and this is the workpiece and hold. Nailing is the tools of the workpiece. The support of the workpiece of the tool is the operation is this is the making for the special purpose of design. The special purpose of design of the surface of the workpiece. Terms used in the lathe machine. Cutting speed. It is defined as the speed at which the material removed by the tool from the workpiece. Other word, it is the principal stoppage to the work part of the cutting tools, usually for access for the metal machine feed. Feed it is the feed it is defined as the distance which is the tool advance of the revolving of the workpiece and extended to the millimeters. Depth of the cut the define as the depth of operation of the tool into the workpiece during the machining work of the the other word. This is the particular distance measured from the machined surface to the unmachined surface of the workpiece, usually the expressed of the millimeters. Shaper. This is shaper also called the shaping machine. The reciprocating type of machine tools used for the producing small flat surface. The help of the single point tools reciprocating of the stationary workpiece. The flat surface may be horizontally the inclined the vertical surface. The reciprocating motion of the tool is obtained either the crank slotted lever of quick return motion mechanism with the strength of the mechanism. This is the workpiece and the the cut of the mid surface in this workpiece is the and the this is operation see the dual tilt slide. This is the large increase in the increase is the near of increase in the small surface of the workpiece and guide job. This is the guided tools of the machine and this is the other V block size of cutting of the machine part supporting on the surface. Thank you so much. In this video, I presented the sum of the lathe machine operation and the